Hey, welcome to this quick video showing you the HoloLens 2 spatial map or spatial mesh accuracy in action with a little physics sample here, which I actually created a while ago mainly for giving conference talks and showing people how to create such a thing with minimal effort. So you can find this on my GitHub page. Just look for Holo World and you can get it there. I updated it for the HoloLens 2. And in this video, I'm going to show you how much more precise the HoloLens 2 spatial map actually is. So what you can do in this demo is you can actually shoot spheres. These are not just stupid spheres, these are actually meatballs. So you can shoot meatballs here, and as you can see, they physically interact also with the scenery right over here. And so meatball for myself here as a 3D scan, right? There's also a bunch of voice commands like hide plane, hide plane. Alright, so as you can see, right, it really works well with the physical interactions on the real objects. Take a look at this, for example. So if I shoot a little meatball up there, it will actually roll just slightly down and stay there because there's a little dent, a little sink. If I shoot a bunch of more, of course, they get a little bit more impulse and a few more will roll down. Alright, shoot a few more. There we go. And look at this, they stay over there, right? That's super amazing, actually. We can also visualize the spatial map. Toggle spatial map. There we go. And now you can actually see the spatial map and how precise it actually is. Isn't that impressive? And also, like I said, or here you see also a bunch of meatballs that's stuck here, right? Yeah, pretty impressive, the HoloLens 2 spatial mapping capabilities. And so you can get all of that on GitHub, like I mentioned. Take a look and take care, my friends.